In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Analytics 4. Whether you're expanding globally or just need to switch things up for a new team member, this guide will help you make those language changes smoothly. Follow along and you'll have everything set up in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to Google Analytics Tools and Solutions. You can easily find this by searching for Google Analytics through your preferred search engine. This page is where Google houses all the tools and resources for analytics, giving you a comprehensive suite of options to help manage and monitor your data effectively. Once there, locate the option to sign into Analytics. When you sign in, you will be taken to your Google Analytics home. It's a good idea to have your Google account information handy, since you'll need those credentials to log in. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Analytics. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens, giving you insights and data on your websites or apps. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Admin section. This can be found at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Click on Admin, and you'll be directed to a new interface that lets you manage your account settings and make adjustments as needed. From here, select My Preferences. This is where you'll have access to your account's personal settings and preferences, allowing you to tailor them to your needs. Now locate the language option. You'll see a setting labeled Language within the My Preferences area. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu of available languages. Google Analytics supports multiple languages, so find the one that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer English, Spanish, Chinese, or any other language, you can make the change here. After making your selection, ensure you save your settings. This step is crucial because you want to make sure the changes take effect immediately. Once saved, the user interface of your Google Analytics account will switch to the language you have chosen. That brings us to the end of our guide on changing the language in Google Analytics 4. It's a straightforward process that can enhance the accessibility and usability of your analytics account, making it more tailored to your or your team's needs. Thanks for sticking with me through these steps, and I hope this helps you manage your Google Analytics experience more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides.